Now we have Kali Linux and Windows 10 as virtual images in our VirtualBox virtual machine environment. One other thing to note, we can also install Windows Server 2012, 2016, all from that Microsoft TechNet Eval Center. But I'm going to show you another location to grab virtual machines already created for you. If you'll go to developer.microsoft.com/the Microsoft Edge Tools VMs page. Now you can also just do a search for Microsoft Edge VMs, and you can find free virtual machines from IE8 to MS Edge. This will allow us to download virtual machines to test the software Internet Explorer 8 through 11 and Microsoft Edge, so that we can use a Windows 7 or a Windows 8 computer. You can download either of these. If you're running low on disk space from just the Kali and Windows 10 installation, you don't have to have a Windows 7 box as well, but you can download one of these just by clicking and then telling it that you want VirtualBox as your platform. You can see there's VMware, there's Hyper-V, there are a few other options, but VirtualBox is one of those. And you download a zip file. And that zip file will take a little bit of time because these are several gigabytes each for the virtual machine images, but when it finishes we can extract it and then open that up in VirtualBox. When that zip file finishes downloading, then we can extract it, and we'll go to a folder that looks like this. And if we double click on the IE8 Win7 OVF, that's the Open Virtualization format, notice we'll get the same thing. Our Oracle VirtualBox will offer to open it up as an Internet Explorer Windows 7, and we'll click Import. When the Windows 7 virtual machine finishes importing, we should be able to start it. And you'll see a familiar site, the good old Windows 7 startup. And when Windows 7 from this virtual image downloads and installs, we'll get some information about it. You'll see that IE user is the username and password with a capital P and a 0 is and an exclamation point is the password for this one. But we can use this for 90 days, and then of course we can reinstall again. One thing I like to do sometimes is take my virtual disk images and put them over into my username VirtualBox VMs folder. So I might pull my Kali and my Windows DVDs and copy them, and then, or just copy and drag them into another window with my VirtualBox VMs, just so that I keep all of those in the same place. Your username / VirtualBox VMs is where all of these virtual machines are being created. And we can see we're in Windows. And we'll come back to Windows 7. We probably want to install a couple of browsers just like we have in the past, but was very quick and easy to use the free virtual machines. So I'm going to pause this and then close it, saving the machine state just like before. So we will see how to do an Android box up next. We'll see how to create an Android device as a virtual machine as well. We'll see you in the next lesson.